Fortune. Salem's Mosfa.
Hey, about time we finally got this map.
Ah, the Kaba.
WP.
Sam's.
Alright, wow.
I'm DD on the east.
Do you want to go east? Because normally I have the gearing go under the backside of A.
Don't mind, I can go either way. Whatever way you want me to go. He's
Go
probably better off going to C.
Yeah, Shima's better at C, gearing's better at A.
You want me to go in and try to cap it? Like a crazy
Yeah,
fucking person?
Yeah, like a crazy fucking person. And, you know, there'll be this crazy fucking Des Moines right behind you.
Roger that.
Where's the rest of us going?
Yeah.
Come on, man. You guys ain't studying the maps?
It's alright.
Go behind me, good friar.
Yep. Where do you want the Zao?
Well, Zhao,
Probably out here somewhere, right?
Over there?
actually, set to the top of this cap, go across. When you can, go across and torp AB. With the gearing and the Des Moines in front of you got right away.
Bear, I'm going. Whoop, I mean to do that. Bear, I'm going to this spot here.
Alright, makes sense.
Want me headed towards C in the Stalingrad or AB?
More towards C. Find a nice comfy island for yourself.
Filthy's Island.
I'm just hoping they're not going to commit a lot of forces on the west side.
I need help.
Okay, I was briefly detected, so there's something close to the B.
Yeah, he might be doing the diddle. Yeah, he's diddling.
Well,
Because
okay,
he's capping
right
B
on.
now. Yeah, he picked the wrong side of the cap, didn't he? Cover us.
I can't get into C with all that radar.
Don't.
That's fine.
Just torp. Need to hit somebody. Hit the Kaba reset him, please.
Fuck, I got Des Moines right here.
I missed him. I missed him. Yeah. Run into that island.
Cab's beached. They're gonna beach. Yep, he's beached.
Don't fire at your ally.
What the
They're
fuck?
Don't
Yeah, they're
fire
gearing
at
There
your
he
ally.
fucking got in front of me. If that cab goes down, I'm gonna make a break for it and go in there.
How all those shots coming? That cab should be dead.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot this cab.
I'm gonna go light this Salem.
Have you got torps to your right? Because you're gonna.
No, I
be
don't.
Really. All right, then run, run, run.
Yep, that's what I'm doing. He got a good one on me, but that's all he's gonna get.
I have a Salem over here in the east, isn't it?
Problem solved, sir. Engine boost deactivated.
God damn.
Brian, I need you to light me a target somewhere.
Fucking Des Moines smoked me.
Try to give you this BB. There he is.
Got the B cap for us anyway, or the A cap.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Salem's not really got that great of guns. The fuck, did ricochet off him? What's the rocks? Cut your... There you go. Got shots on that Moscow?
I will when I come out the mountain.
I have no idea where that.
Salem, right there.
Bear's gonna just freaking take him out, man. Hopefully he's got AP loaded. Ram him. What the fuck? What's he got for armor on that fucking thing? Fuck.
Shit. Only had 12 citadels. Damn it!
That's all.
We'll see. He got away from me, and I did not want that. Well, Sniper, I'm really
Yeah.
impressed with your aggressiveness.
Hey, HE, HE sniper.
Yeah, can't rely on these damn DDs. You gotta put them down yourself.
Fuck it.
That cab screwed up.
Got 35 seconds before I can torp this Monty.
Oh look, I almost
Stay
had
in that cap, Spider. Or Sniper, I mean.
fucking spider. God.
you won't have to put up with it for very much longer.
Why is that?
Wow, we'll talk about it later.
10 seconds till torps.
Oh, I see. You want some of that Salem action.
That's what I was going for. It's like, because I saw Bear was going down, I figured I'm gonna go save his ass.
Yeah, he needed saving.
Well, he was. I mean, he got pinched. I mean, I'm not saying he's a bad player. I'm just saying that was just
Monty's gonna
happened.
eat. Monty's
No.
down.
Oh
Yeah.
God! And look at this.
Monty's down.
Oh, it's like a gift from heaven right now.
He's turning broadside to you? Like, really?
Oh, he gave me everything.
Oof.
See you later.
God, that's like a fucking God gift right there.
Did all of your bullets hit him?
Yeah,
They would.
How
pretty-
many
Yeah.
citadels did you get?
It was a 4 Citadel hit. No, it was a 3 Citadel because I 4 Citadel to Mosfa. Oh, and the Salem's gonna be just out of. Oh, by the time I get turned around. Where the fuck that Gearing go? I figured he'd come back for me.
Well, now he's gonna have to deal with his
Still
Zal.
alive somewhere.
Sometimes you gotta be aggressive, and I just decided to go for it.
The gearing is over here.
Well done. Well done, by the way.
But paid off. I could have easily have paid for it dearly, but that Gearing played like an idiot.
No, what you have to
The
understand.
Cavaros got caught up on the rocks too.
Sniper, that's one of the things I wanted to talk to you about was in clan battles, the Montana, besides being, you know, the deleter of things, has a certain amount of presence and forces other people just to get the hell away from it.
Wow.
Yeah, I had to just. He popped up around that corner on me within 5k.
Take him.
I had no
See
idea.
you
he was
later,
there.
Gary.
Alright, give me a fucking Kraken. Let's go.
Here's the sad thing: there's no individual awards, so you can't actually get a Kraken.
Our victory is in sight.
Still
I
look
got
pretty on
3
that
kills.
map. I'll take the torpits even for it.
Might as well go right into the smoke. Where are you going? Oh, you got your guns the other way.
Oh, I overshot him.
He's deleted. Oh, he got through. Got me.
Boss was those there to fuck him.
Yeah.
Willie K's went down. That was an 11-minute victory. So you can actually take a couple deep breaths before we jump in the next one, because it's going to be the last game.
Why is that?
It's going to be the end of the Clan Wars.
9 minutes.
Oh, at 10:30. Yeah, fuck.
So we can have a 5-minute breather, guys, if you need it. Recharge, everything, but truthfully, I think the victories have done more to invigorate us than anything else.
We started off and we came back. Bounce back's what I want to see.